go.
Alright, well, I just made tuna patties. It's a healthy alternative to tuna fish sandwiches, which could be healthy, but I was thinking, you know, you could get bored with it every now and then, so what I did was I kind of made tuna patties or tuna burgers, whichever you want to call it. I just combined 2 cans of tuna fish, some shredded carrots, good for the eyes, some chopped up red onions, scallions, also some celery, 1 egg white, that's the healthy part too, a little bit of salt and cracked pepper. I didn't put too much salt because I'm going to actually put a little bit of salt later on when I garnish it. And some breadcrumbs, and I just fried in a little bit of canola oil, not too much. So that's probably the only unhealthy part, is the frying. But it's still good, and it's, you know, it's an alternative, like I said, to tuna fish sandwiches. Now we're going to combine some mustard. This is the dressing that I put together, and some mayonnaise. So maybe it's not as healthy, but it's got a lot of protein. I'm just wipe my hands. We're gonna mix up the mustard and the mayonnaise. Okay, now I'm gonna plate the tuna fish, or tuna patties actually. Put it right there. I'm gonna put some iceberg lettuce. Now I'm not a big fan of iceberg lettuce, but sometimes it just fits, like in this case, especially when you're garnishing. Okay, now I'm gonna put some slices of red onions, some shredded carrots. Okay, and now a little bit of salt. Okay, and now we're gonna garnish the dressing. It's kind of like a Jackson Pollock painting. Those of you who don't know who that is, it's an artist who would just splatter his paint, and he makes millions. Well, he's passed, but anyway, there you have it. Now all I have to do is eat it and enjoy it. Isn't that a delicious masterpiece?